Gotcha.
On top of that, bracing too. It kind of shrunk it down a little bit too. So.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So what all did you do since last time? What all you have in here?
I went from the single 2500 on the FI18 at 0.35. I strapped the second 2400 on it. Then I swapped to two SA15s. That was a big flop. So I went back to a single 18, but that's a Zv3 Motor and Frame with a Zv4 Coil, U-Series Spider, and a hybrid cone.
Oh wow, really custom then. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit. It handles both amps.
Okay.
Up my score too to 49 with it. So.
Really? Oh, nice. So that's almost a 50.
I could have almost parted and gotten that 50.
Wow. What is the box tuned to?
We changed the tuning from 32, 33 last time. It's at 31 and a half.
31.
Not 30, 30 and a half. 30 and a half. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's like a quarter inch away from the braces right there. So
okay.
We couldn't get it any more than what it was.
All right.
But, yeah.
So you went from 2 subs to 1 again and gained.
Yeah, the 2 subs was a flop. I figured I would get a better score having the 215s because of more cone area and more power, but it actually was less.
Wow, okay.
So I was pretty mad about it, and I flew them on purpose because I was so mad. And I went back to this.
Okay, awesome.
It does way better.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I like to hear it, man.
Yeah, here we go.
All right.
What's that, nigga? Trap house street, folk, nigga. What's that? Hey, T, come on, man. Man, we out of cut again. Fuck. I told Pot to bring the prop. Stay with me. Trap house 3 got a K with me and 3 young nigga that stay with me. Hold these nigga don't play with me. Hold these nigga don't play with me. Hold these nigga don't play with me, cause my man not to stay with me.
That's a big jump from last time, dude. I appreciate that, dude. And you got AC running. It feels good, man.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
It pulls less power both of those strapped together pull less power than the single one at 0.35.
Oh, so now it's at 0.7?
No,
Or
each
no,
one's at
1 ohm?
Yeah, 1 ohm each.
Okay.
It's raising to 2.2, I think it was. We measured in the lanes.
Okay.
So it's not too bad.
So a lot more efficient too then.
A lot more.
Yeah.
A lot more.
Awesome.
Yeah, yeah, it worked out a lot. I mean,
okay.
I'm just waiting to finish buying subs and amps and hauling this off. But
Yes, sir.
It takes time.
That's right. Awesome. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
Check that out. Because I remember before you had the SP4.
Yeah.
Right. So was this a patch?
That was, we tried a square board and found out that it was a lot worse than having it fire into the side. So that just, it's got a square patch on the inside and another one out here. Okay. And it also decreased it in here. So.
Gotcha.
On top of that, in bracing too, it kind of shrunk it down a little bit too, so it made it a little better.
Dude, this is a really loud single sub. Appreciate the demo, man. Thank you. That's definitely an SPO color, you can tell.
Oh yeah. The original Zv3 was pretty much flush with this, but this is a hybrid right here. So.
Sweet. Thanks, man.
No problem, Jason.
Have a good night.
Try, man.
Again? I told you partner, bring the shit together. But it be the got a K with me and 3 young niggas that stay with me. Trap House 3 got a K with me and 3 young niggas that stay with me. Hope these niggas don't play with me. Hope these niggas don't play with me. Hope these niggas don't play with me, cause my main line to stay with me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.